The biggest job we've done ever is yung roof ng car. Hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. This is another episode here. Walang kotse. Actually, makikita mo dito. Kala mo lang walang kotse. Ito pa lang makikita mo, mahal na tong kotse. So, this is a Mercedes GLE 300D. 2023. Brand new na kotse. Actually, wala pang plaka. Anong pinagawa ni client ngayon? Actually, makikita nyo sa video. Naka two-tone color na siya ngayon. And then, hindi lang siya masyado halata, pero bago na yung buong body kits niya. This started from a GLE 300D. So, it's a diesel version of GLE. Ginawa nating GLE 63 na body kit. And then, actually, ayan, bagong body kit to. This is the sportier version. Mamaya punta tayo sa likod. Makikita nyo yung bumper sa likod, iba na rin. Naging quad exhaust na siya ngayon. Nakasulat pang AMG. Pero, syempre, pan-design lang yan. And then, makikita yung paint job natin. This is a factory Maybach color. Syempre, walang ganitong color talaga na GLE. So, may sinend sa akin ni client na picture, which is a GLS na Maybach. Gusto niya sundan yung color. So, yan yung gusto nating gayahin. And ayaw naman ni client na sobrang parang luxury yung itsura. Gusto niya more on the sporty side na may konting luxury. Kaya yung body kit niya is pang sporty. Ang paint job niya is pang luxury Maybach. Actually ito, this is also not a factory one. Special request ni client to. Sabi niya, nothing is important. Gusto ko talaga may nakatayo ng Mercedes dun sa may hood ko. Kaya nilagay natin ang standing logo for this GLE 300. Yun yung ginawa natin sa labas. So baka akala no, yan lang yung ginawa namin. No. This is almost the biggest project na nagsimula namin hanggang ngayon. In-upgrade din natin yung buong interior niya. So, anong mga ginawa natin sa interior? Let's go inside. Alright, let's start from the front. So, anong mga ginawa natin? Kung makikita nyo sa front is yung custom floor mats natin. Full na full yan. Punong-puno yan. And then, maganda yung design niya. And then, may detachable floor mat for cleaning din. So, this is not just only for the front. Buong kotse, meron yan. Ano pa ginawa nating special dito sa harap is itong tweeter. It may look a little bit like stock, pero hindi siya stock. So, let's start the car. Every time you start the car, it will spin out and then play the tweeters. Ayan, so maganda siya tignan. And then may ilaw na rin siya para uniform na siya sa buong theme ng kotse. Alright, now we're at the back. Makikita nyo, ito yung mga pinakamarami yung ginawa natin. Pang stock GLE, para siyang bench seat lang. Very normal seat. In this case of client, he don't really drive car. Lagi siya nakaupo sa likod. So, imbis na mukha siyang bossing, mukha siyang bata nakaupo sa likod ng isang kotse. So, gusto niya captain seat sa likod. So, yan yung binigay natin sa client. Ginawa natin ng special made captain seat for the rear seat. So, not only electric control na lahat, meron siyang mga control sa gilid. As you can see here, meron din mga USB charger port. And, yung pinaka cool thing about this car, just press of a button, may akit na touchscreen. Siyempre, bossing. Hindi na pwedeng puro physical buttons ang pinipindot. Kailangan touchscreen. So, in this case, katulad nito, if I want to set my chair, I can just open this thing and then, ayan, power na lahat. Back, and then if I want to move front, ayan, I can move front. I can go to back. So, yan yung mga special features na upuan natin. So, maliban sa electronic control na lahat, meron din tayong air-cooled seats, meron din tayong massage. Mukhang bossing na siya ngayon. Hindi na siyang mukhang bata na dinadrive ng parents. And then, syempre, owner of this car is a businessman. Syempre, sinong hindi businessman na who drives a car like this? Lagi siya on the road. When you're doing business on the road, ang one of the important thing is kailangan may table. So, yan din yung special request ni client. So, normally naman sa ibang kotse, nandito yung table niya. So, as you can see in this car, walang table. So, paano yan? Walang table dito. Hindi ba namin magagawa? No! Nilagay namin dito sa center armrest niya. Just spin it out. And then, well, mukha siyang transformer. Pero at least, meron tayong table. And then, put this down. So, may armrest na si client. May armrest din dito. And then, may table siya. Doesn't matter na anong gusto ni gawin ni client. Pwede siya mag-laptop dito. Pwede siya mag-sign documents. And pwede rin siya kumain dito kung kailangan niya. So, this is the features of the chair. And then, another thing, the biggest job we've done ever is yung roof ng itong car. So, as I said a while ago, si client, lagi siya nasa biyahe. So, doesn't matter it's daytime or nighttime. Lalo na nighttime, lagi siya lumalabas to go to meetings and stuff. Gusto niya something to look cool at night or something to look at night. Kaya this is also a challenge for us. Kaya we said this is the biggest job we've done. Hindi dahil sa upuan or hindi dahil sa exterior kasi ano lang yan, madali lang yan actually. Hindi siya super mahirap. Ang pinakamahirap talaga namin ginawa is actually itong roof. From start to finish, just the roof only, ang ginawa namin almost a week or so para lang magawa itong roof. So ayan, if you guys are interested in this item or in this service or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Baka kayo rin, meron kayong GLE na gustong gawin ganito. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!